What is that?
Salad, peas, much, pear, nut, and berry. And that's the food is.
Did you put any olive oil and vinegar inside of there yet?
But after I'm done stirring it.
Oh, okay.
And inside this bowl.
Do you want to put some vinegar on your peas?
No, that's for and here's grapes.
Grapes. Oh, that's right.
You see these grapes?
And some olive oil on your peas?
This is pear. See?
And some pepper on your peas?
Well, this is leppy. So it tastes like what? So you can have item. This is only this.
Can I have some of your salad, please? I'm really hungry.
Well, and stir this.
I like my salad with tomatoes and peppers.
After I'm done stirring, I'm going to put these on it.
Oh, okay. Tell me when it's ready.
Ready?
Can I have it?
Yep.
Right here, please.
But you can use a spoon, but don't spill it.
I'll be super careful, thank you. Let's see if this is any good. That's a delicious looking piece of lettuce.
It's not for a computer.
Oh, okay. What do you want to do on the computer?
Angry birds.
Angry Birds. Okay, I'll give it back to you. Give me 1 second.